And we're back to learning HTML, and this time I'm going to show the caption tag. It's used in conjunction with the table tag. So I've created a simple table right here. For now it doesn't have a border, let me add that. So I'll style it right here in the HTML head. I set the border to 1 pixel, solid and black. And let me also make the border collapse so that neighboring cells share a border. So we've got a regular table. Here's our head. So the first row, social media percentage. And if we add a caption above, let me indent that properly. We need opening and closing tag, and then we could put any information inside of there. Let me just call it social media usage. And here it is now. So it's inside of the table, but you can see it's outside of the border. So this is what the caption tag does. It gives you an additional part of the table that's not really part of the table layout anymore. And you can obviously select this in your style. So let me just select the element caption. And then you can, for example, adjust the font size and make it smaller or bigger. Eight is a little bit too small, but you get the idea. So it's basically like a fig caption, a caption for an image, and you can add that to tables. And this is how you can use the caption tag in HTML. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.